Hey everyone, just getting to you here. So yeah, tomorrow is the 4th of July, I can't wait. I hope everyone is going to have fun and enjoy the fireworks. And I know everyone's going to their cabin or I don't know what everyone's doing. But I'm sure everyone has plans about it, so I'm ready for the fireworks. I'm sure enough you guys are too. But you guys get my point. I'm sure everyone has plans about it. Of what they're gonna do for the 4th of July tomorrow. But I'm ready for it. Well, talk to you guys a little bit tomorrow about, not about, but during, before we start. But, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow or something. I'll talk to you guys next time.